Comparing sets of data on one graph. Open the sheet that contains your existing data. Add your new data in a separate column or row. Right-click your chart and choose Select Data. This opens the Select Data Source dialog window. Click the Add button on the Select Data Source window. Select the cell that contains the name you want to use for this range to make that cell's value the name of the series. Click the Values field. This activates the field. Use the mouse to select data for your second x-axis. Click the Series Y Values field. Select the data you want to use for your second y-axis. Use the mouse to highlight the new data you want to add to this second y-axis. Click OK. If you see an error when trying to select a set of data, delete everything in the field and select that range again. Now you'll see different sets of data. Click OK to display the comparison data on the same chart. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.